Cars, driving buddies. McQueen was a race car. He was shiny and fast. He wanted one thing, to win the big race. Mater was a tow truck. He was old and rusty. He wanted one thing, a best friend. Mater lived in a little town. The streets were quiet. All was calm. One night, McQueen got lost on his way to the big race. He sped into the little town. Sheriff chased him. McQueen got scared. He flew into fences. He crashed into cones. He ripped up the road. He made a big mess. McQueen was sent to jail. He met Mater there. Mater liked McQueen right away. Sally, the town lawyer, and the other cars wanted McQueen to fix the road. McQueen could not leave town until the job was done. McQueen got to work. He was unhappy. Mater wanted to show him some fun. He took McQueen tractor tipping. It was fun. McQueen told Mater why he wanted to win the big race. He would have fame and a new look. He would be a winner. Mater was happy. He had a new best friend. McQueen fixed the road at last. The news reporters found McQueen. Mac the truck was glad to see him. It was time to go to the big race. Mater was sad to see his buddy leave. The other cars were sad too. So, Mater and his friends went to the racetrack. They helped McQueen. But McQueen still did not win. He helped an old friend finish the race instead. Now he knew that winning was not what he wanted most. What he wanted most were friends.